Alex here, and in this video I will be going over the basement and elevation of your massings in Skema. So you will notice when you create any form of a massing on your site, a basement appears below any of the massing. Now this is a non-selectable voided mass that just appears, but you can toggle this on and off by selecting your block and checking the basement available box on the right side of your screen. So if I check it off, you'll see it disappears, and if I select it back on, it will reappear. Now, the height of your basement will align with the elevation of your block in accordance to your main project organizational Z point. So you'll notice right now when I select my block, my elevation is at 0 feet. When that is because when I select my project base plane point, you'll also notice that my Z position is at 0 feet as well. So for example, if I was to go in, select this project base Z point, make it 10 feet, you'll see on my screen that Z point raises. Now when I select my block, you'll notice the elevation is now at negative 10 feet. So if I want to align it back to this original point, I can simply hit 0, and you'll notice not only does the block raise up, but the basement generated below the massing also gets raised. Now I can reverse this as well by selecting my project base plane point, going to my Z position, let's put it at 0 again, and when I select my block, you'll now notice, okay, the elevation's at 10 feet. So to align it with this, I can put it back to 0, or I can put in any metric I want to set my elevation of my massing. And once again, I can always check this basement on or off within my project on my site.